today, along with the help of my crew, we will be telling you everything we know about the cell membrane. We will be talking about the structure, the function, and the importance of our organelle. Let's start off with the structure. The cell membrane is composed of what is known as a lipid bilayer. The lipid bilayer is composed of a phosphorus head and a fatty acid tail. The phosphorus head is hydrophilic, which means water-loving, and the fatty acid tail is hydrophobic, which means water-fearing. Now to Netta with the function.
Thank you, Miriam. Okay guys, my name is Netta and I'll be talking all about the function of a cell membrane. The cell membrane protects the cell and makes sure nothing harmful gets in and nothing falls out. And now to Maddie with the importance.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Hey, I'm Maddie, and I'll be telling you guys about the importance of the cell membrane. Did you know that if you didn't have a cell membrane, your cell would just be floating around? Or things would be going into your cell that could be harmful. Hope that helped. And now to Sage for the weather.